All right, we have more news coming in. A poster war outside Parliament has started out. Union Minister Giriraj Singh brings Sonia Soros poster right outside Parliament as we speak. Go across to those pictures in just a few moments from now. But remember, the BJP has been raising the issue of Sonia Gandhi's link with George Soros, and this matter has resonated inside Parliament as well. Aishwarya getting in more details on that story. Aishwarya, it's the BJP's opportunity now to register a protest. The opposition has been doing it for days together. Now a poster has been brought by Giriraj Singh. Tell us more.
Well, sir, we have been seeing how there has been a poster war that has been going on for quite some time now. And now we are seeing, a tit for tat kind of a thing being played, because over the past many days, what we had seen happening was that it was the opposition. They had got posters made, bags made, masks made, and jackets made, and they had pictures of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Gautam Adani. Now, a tit for tat strategy is being adopted by the BJP, and BJP has now got, we have seen the BJP leader Giriraj Singh now getting posters made of Sonia Gandhi and George Soros. And even as we speak, Sneha, let me tell you, right outside the Makadwar, we are seeing the opposition MPs now protesting, and they are saying that we want the parliament to function, but we also want the way in which Adani is being given from port to land to real estate. We want these things to stop. This is what the opposition is now saying, and Giriraj Singh now having the ante from the BJP's side has now brought in pictures, posters of Sonia Gandhi and George Soros.
Right, so this is in fact an ongoing protest. Now you have the opposition on one hand with that narrative that the Prime Minister has deep links and ties with Gautam Adani, and Aishwarya, the BJP doing a tit for tat here, isn't it?
For that being done, because it was the opposition, they had the mark on the, they had the jackets on the first day. The jackets had pictures of Prime Minister Modi and Gautam Adani. The next day, it was masks. And then yesterday, we saw how there were roses. A silent protest was being done by opposition. They had roses in their hands. They had the Indian flag. And today also, we are seeing Dekh Nahi Dikhne Denge. These posters are being put up by leaders of the opposition. Priyanka Gandhi also taking part. The other leaders of the opposition also standing right outside the Matadwar and now protesting against what's happening with regards to Adani. But let me also tell you, Sneha, the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, had a conversation with the Speaker of Lok Sabha, Om Birla, and he told him that the opposition wants the parliament to function. They want the debate on constitution to take place. And they have also said that from 10:45 till 11, that's when the protest will take place. But after that, once the opposition leaders go inside the house, then they will make sure that the house functions. And they also have made a sort of promise, Sneha, that they will make sure that there is no protest that takes place on the floor of the parliament. Whatever protest they want to do, they'll do it outside as it's happening as we are speaking. Sneha.
So what's really expected is that this matter is also going to be brought up once again, Aishwarya, in Parliament. The BJP has, like I said, been raising this inside Parliament, right now outside Parliament, but this is something that the BJP is going to be raising once again. It's clear is that the BJP is raising this matter and is not going to be letting this issue die down anytime soon. Listen in to a series of reactions now that are coming in.
तो जाहिर तौर पर तकरीबन 50 सांसदों ने हस्ताक्षर किया। एक संदेश तो जाना ही चाहिए कि ऐसे लोग इन ओहदों पे पहुंचते कैसे, और उनके जजमेंट को भी खंगालना चाहिए।
और तमाम अपोजिशन के सांसद ने कल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किया, जो फ्लोर लीडर थे, और उन्होंने जगदीप धनखड़ पे आरोप लगाया कि किस तरह से सरकार के।
देखिए, मामला व्यक्ति का नहीं है, मामला व्यवस्था का है। संसदीय लोकतंत्र में सत्ता पक्ष और विपक्ष मिलकर के संसद को स्मूथ चलाते हैं, लेकिन पूरी दुनिया को देखिए, सत्ता पक्ष की बड़ी भूमिका होती है, होनी चाहिए। अब देखिए, हमें प्रतिरोध प्रतिदिन यहाँ करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि सरकार हठधर्मिता नहीं त्याग रही है और हम हठधर्मिता का प्रतिरोध नहीं त्याग रहे हैं।
Protests now being held by the BJP with Giriraj Singh leading that. From the front, a poster war that has once again erupted with a poster of Sonia Gandhi along with George Soros that has been brought by MP Giriraj Singh inside Parliament at a time when the BJP has raised this matter even inside the House, saying that there is a deep link between George Soros and the former Congress president, and that They are ready to destroy the country, destroy the economy. These are pictures coming in from Parliament at this point in time. Right now outside Parliament, where the BJP is protesting. Bharatiya Janata Party raising this matter once again. What's the link between Sonia Gandhi and George Soros is what the BJP is asking. JP Nadda, the national president of the party, had also spoken about this entire matter in Parliament, raising this issue once again. Protests by the opposition and the BJP on different issues. The opposition raising these demands once again. In fact, trying to corner the Narendra Modi-led central government, the BJP-led central government. And the BJP also raising this issue. BJP now is once again going after Sonia Gandhi. Posters were brought in today by MP Giriraj Singh. It seems to be a counter allegations against the Adani group, with the BJP now drawing connections between George Soros and Sonia Gandhi. Rahul Gautam getting in more details on that story. Rahul, the BJP today now bringing in posters after the opposition relentlessly has been pointing out the link between Prime Minister Modi and Gautam Adani. It's a counter essentially here.
Well, it seems, Sneha, that the opposition is continuing with its everyday ritual, that is to protest inside Parliament complex on the issue of Gautam Adani. Today we are seeing that they are holding a banner which clearly says that Desh ko bikne nahi denge, essentially saying that they won't allow Gautam Adani to sell this country. So clearly it seems that the opposition and particularly Congress party, they are upping the ante against the government on this issue. However, two important partners, TMC and Samajwadi Party, they have clearly parted their ways, saying that Adani is not a people's issue. So although, and Congress party is absolutely unfazed by this distancing of alliance partners from this particular issue. They are maintaining that Gautam Adani is a very crucial issue which needs to be discussed and needs to be highlighted as to how the government of the day is shielding Gautam Adani, and they're trying to bring in the issue of George Soros only to dilute the issue or to deflect the criticism from this issue.
That's what is now being said by the government in the defense of the Prime Minister. We'll keep coming back to you, Rahul Gautam, for more on that. Details. Pictures are from Parliament complex where the opposition is protesting. Also, the BJP has brought in posters today.